Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks, and I just did a video about a macro that would fit your page to size of your item with margins. And I started thinking probably how Eskimo's macro works. If you will select all this, hold down your Shift key and double click on your rectangle tool, it puts a rectangle right around your objects evenly on all four sides. And then while that's selected, go up to Effects and Contour. And if you want your margin to be 1 inch, just contour to the outside 1 step, 1 inch. And there you have a margin, and then you could delete that number. Actually, you have to break the contour part. So you can delete that one. And then there is your size of your plaque. It's exactly what we came up with the first video. Anyway, just another idea. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.